Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my unicorn box card. How pretty and fun is that? I love that little unicorn. She looks so beautiful there with her hair and her tail. You've got the rainbow in the background, the stars there at the top. This fun sentiment here that says stay magical. It folds relatively flat for mailing, and there's a spot on the back for your message. I include an envelope as well. This card is really easy to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. Now with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project we're going to need our Cricut cutting machine, a standard grip or light grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your Cricut weeding tool, Cricut brayer, Cricut scraper, and our cardstock. Now that we have our materials ready, we can go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can go to the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options available and select which one is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar and select the Files tab. Now this file is free, which means it's available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships can find the cut file in the free files page. Basic and premium members can find the file in the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 751, that is the unicorn box card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and then Continue and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to some of the score lines to do, so let's scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the outside box piece. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, for the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines on the outside box piece. I'm going to flip that piece over and attach the larger of the white pieces. This is going to go on the back, and that will allow those stars to really pop once we flip the card back over. There we go. Let's set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. And now we can attach that to the back of the card. All right, we can go ahead and set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the burnt orange color, the darker yellow color, and then green. Before we layer this together, I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines. All right, and now I'm going to layer everything together. And there is our rainbow section. I'm going to set that to the side so all that can dry. Okay, now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now again, I do have a layering guide, so do go ahead and check that out. But from back to front, we're going to start with the light blue color, the lighter purple color, pink, white, dark purple, orange, and then yellow. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our fun and pretty unicorn front cover panel. Set that to the side for just a moment. Let's go ahead and grab our outside box piece and the inside tab piece. I'm going to go ahead and add glue to this left tab here. And then I'm going to place it here on this left side. I'm going to make sure to line up the bottom edges as well as along that score line. There we go. And now add glue to this right tab and fold the box piece over. Go ahead and give the card a fold both ways. Make sure that everything is adhering properly. And that looks good. Now I will fold this left tab over and add glue. I'm going to take our front cover panel and attach that to the left side. And now add glue to the right tab. Bring that cover panel back over. Fold the card both ways. Make sure that everything is laying properly. And there is our fun and colorful card. Very cute. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now this does have some decent amount of layers to it, so you might want to add the card to the envelope. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of our side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun is this card to make? That unicorn is so cute there on the front. My daughter is going to love this card. In fact, she picked out some of the colors herself. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I've got a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!